Everyone's out here living life in the nice sun. These cars look amazing, man. That's fucking hard, man. Check out this guy's interior. This guy's interior is smoking the game right now. What the fuck? Damn, bro. This man killed the game with that.
No caps? No caps? No caps?
Here's a lineup of all these cars. This guy's out here looking fresh with the whips, man. That's fucking hard, bro. Alright, look at this, man. Damn. This guy's nah. Check out these lights. These lights killed it. That's hard, man.
Wrap this whole thing carbon fiber. Yo, you see the black stage? I thought that you do this like a shade of black and then trim this red.
Let me hear some of that. Let's get it. Okay. I rate it, man. That's TL Squad right there. We're out here. We are out here, guys. Look how we're living. Looking beautiful. That's TL. I rate it still. Look at my girl looking all nice and pretty. Alright, we're about to head out. Go for a little drive. And we'll see you guys.
Damn, it's a rich thing. You're crazy.
And if you looking for me, I'll be first class on the plane. X-name my landing gear, 'cause I don't need no runway. My final destination is a cloud, it's a one way. Fuck the doors, so hard the demons.
Because they had to freaking catch us.
The money keep cooling. You got to you quick for your
Yo, close my door for me. This is a sick footage, man. Alright, so we stopped out here and everyone's just getting a quick photo. Look at us all lined up. This is fucking sexy. No one can compete with the fucking UA squad. Tell them no one can compete with the UA squad. Look at this. We're breaking necks out here. People keep on backing up and trying to take pictures and see us.
That's why we're parked up here with the line to take pictures. We asked them. Just take a picture. We're here for like 5 minutes and we're gone.
Here comes a Karen. They're Karens, bro. You gotta let them. Anyways, so we're out here and we're breaking necks out here. It's our one stop point. Look at us.
Last car then? Okay, then you call him, let him know to come here last. You turn anywhere, let him know when you're free.
Yes, Kevin.
I don't know where we're going. I know, that's why you gotta tell him to slow down.
Look at this sexy bitch. Who is this sexy with? I rate it. I rate it. I thought my whip was right there for a second. Go. Yeah, slowly. I want you to stay behind this guy in the gray. All right, so we stopped for a second. Look at this lineup. Everyone's looking good with their cars. Whoop's hard. Saw your whip's hard, eh?
You already know.
Nah, you get even good. Coming mob style. Anyway, right here. This car you call mob. That's jokes. We're all here. Look at us. We're all here. Look at Danger. There's still people coming in. I like. Shit, they roasted this man. Look at his fitment though. That's a freaking hefty fitment. I like it. Okay.
It's super tight.
And height-wise, you have to go actually get it like just.
You gotta go and adjust it with the wrench piece. Yo, trying to have plans in it. This whole engine bay, I have all parts to get painted.
This man too talking about coilovers, man.
What do you mean, dog? Get out of the
Carbon fiber. What do you do to the headlights?
Oh, the carbon fiber.
Yeah,
the dude that did it for us.
So what is it? It blinks like that?
Custom, yeah. Like I think it only stays on when it's low beam though, or one of them. Whenever
That's
you put
hard.
the switch on.
I buck with the carbon fiber, yo. That shit's hard. He said he's about to get it polished.
Yeah. Yeah, that shit's like so. You lift that shit up, you're gonna break it or something.
Yeah. Yeah, carbon fiber is lightweight though. So
You need to push it up.
to admire this guy's car, man. This guy's crazy with this fitment, man. Like, bro, look at that.
I thought mine was tight, bro. This shit is impossible.
That's what I'm saying. This guy's out here. Gave it a little camber to make it fit. That looks hard.
Yo, one time boy them pulled me in Eglinton. And the man's like, yo, your car don't rub?
Alright, so guys, right now we're in the boonies of where we have no service. There's not even sidewalks. But we're enjoying the day. Everyone's cruising out here, enjoying the night. Alright guys, we end up getting split up with the crew, so we're just about to meet up with them again, and we'll be in a second. It's just 3 of us right now. I think this is the last location that we're gonna meet together. Alright, so we got back up with the team. Everyone's lined up here. My boy Sal on the phone, eh? Business calls. Look at this lineup. Everyone's here or chilling. Took over the little parking lot here. Some of these guys do some nice ass stuff to their car, man. I like how the guys have their car set up. You see them with like the brown seats inside. That A spec lips looks nice. With the waffles. That's hard. These rims look nice as well. This is family stuff, you know? One of the men's are heading out. Safe trip back home. It's the UA squad life. Look at these blue Brembo wheels. Don't those ever look nice? That shit sounds nice. This guy has amazing sound to his car. Yeah, give me it. Sounds nice. This guy is. Let me see the blue lights. Okay. This guy and his blue lights with it. I'm telling you, this guy did some nice shit to his car, man. This car looks nice. Look at my twin just pulled up. This guy's looking sick with it.
What is that? No, it's rocket. Oh. Yeah. From the fog. But that comes flat. Oh yeah. It comes plastic flat, right? So I got him to do gloss flat, which they did. It doesn't even look gloss though, it looks flat. Yeah. Well, you know who did it, so I mean that's all I gotta say.
Yo.
Alright, man. Thank you. Hopefully. Nah, don't worry, bro. It's all good. Mine was stopped this year. Started to make it.
I'm looking for another car. When I get another car, I'm gonna drop the engine on that one.
Gee, what are you doing in that one then?
What? That car?
Yeah, what are you doing?
I want a blue stick.
Oh shit. Okay.
We're gonna have a Chris Donovan 2.0.
No.
Nah, you're good. But yeah, hopefully, bro. Next time.
Yeah, I just want to
It's expensive to boost these engines though, and the J series I find.
Yeah, I know it's expensive because you got instead of 4.6 you get the 6. Right?
Yeah.
It's a lot of different shit. Plus ECU conversions.
Exactly. Yeah.
And hopefully you're not hoping.
This guy's calipers look tough, man. With the Brembo, I'm thinking of getting a color similar. With my color, I think it'll look very nice.
All that gen, they're all crap.
You gotta. I wish some.
Everyone's out here getting their photo of their cars.
Well, you can, right? With these stock,
We're just chilling.
different gearing in there, you upgrade the cooling system and all that shit. Because that's what the problem is. There's a cooling
This is the
system.
UASQUAD life. New edition.
Where's he going? Leaving?
I think he's trying to get a picture, maybe.
I love the neochrome. I love the neochrome.
Yeah, it's hard.
At night too, it's even better at night. That's when I didn't have neochrome. I had the white one first.
Yeah.
I was with Pat one night. And every time I went by, I let her just seen his sleep. I was like, yes.
You gotta go neochrome.
Alright, guys. Look at this nice view of these three. Amazing view. Everyone's about to leave now, so we're about to pack up everything and head out.
Glad everybody came out.
Yeah, it was a fun day. Alright, so we stopped just to get a little shoot. Trying to get down this redstone. Everyone's lined up. Okay, this guy said he's gonna come back around and he's gonna rip it. Let's hear this guy's car. Everybody comes again. Getting a little rip of it. This car sounds nice. Alright, so this is the final crew. We're about to get out of here. Just got some nice pictures out here. And we're about to head out. Everyone's lining up, looking all nice. Alright, we're on our way home. And this is the view.